Hello, and welcome to the third installment of Online Teaching, Week 1, the last section of the week. This one will be pretty straightforward because we are going to be talking about vertex form. Week 1, Section 3, vertex form. Now for a quadratic, a parabola has a vertex. It's the maximum or minimum point. Well, to write the equation, there is a form where all you need to know is the vertex. And that is this. Now, h and k are going to be the x and y values of your vertex. Now, it's really, really important to look at this h value here. The equation is x minus h. Therefore, whatever your value is in your vertex, your x value, in the equation it's going to be opposite of what you see. So make sure you watch that. And the a value is the coefficient in the normal quadratic form. So you see a is here, a is also there in the normal equation. So those are going to be the same values. So let's do a couple examples. So this first equation I'm going to give you is y equals 2x squared minus 4x plus 5. This is in a normal quadratic form. It's just a quadratic equation. And we're going to write it in the vertex form. Now what I'm going to do here is erase this and then move it up top. So, in order to figure this out, we need our vertex. So, on your own, go ahead and find your vertex. Okay, I went ahead and found our vertex real quick. So our x value was 1 and our y value was 3. So that is our vertex. Now let's go ahead and write our vertex form. Okay, so vertex form is this. So all we need to do is for a, that's going to be this value of 2. So we're going to write that. And then x minus. Now, h, our h value is 1. So in our equation, it's minus h. So we're going to subtract whatever that value was, which is 1. And then our k value was a 3, and that's normal as is. So that is our vertex form of this equation. If you were to actually multiply these out, multiply that binomial together, multiply it by the 2, and add the 3, the two equations would be exactly the same. Another question that could be asked is for you to state the vertex. So I could give you an equation like this. And I want you to tell me what the vertex is. Now, on a test, if you don't remember this, multiply everything out and find the vertex like you normally do. But if you remember vertex form, it makes it really easy. And that's just these two values. The difficult part is deciding if it's positive or negative. So, the y value is pretty straightforward. It is just this -2 here. But the h value, our x, is opposite of what you see. So right here, we see a +3, but the vertex is opposite. So that is our vertex.